Good morning, children. Welcome back to another session of vocabulary from your new voice textbook, lesson number 7, page number 76. So, yes, children, today's topic is really interesting and amazing, and we are going to have a lot of fun with the activities as well. So, quickly grab your notebook and new voice textbook, and we will start with the session. So, yes, children, our today's topic is simile. Now, what are similes? Yes, children, a simile is a form of figurative language. It makes a comparison between two unlike things using the words like or as. I repeat, children, it makes a comparison between two unlike things using the word like or as. Now, children, you will definitely ask that why similes are so useful. Of course, these are useful. Similes are a great way to make writing more effective and exciting and memorable without losing the clarity. So yes, children, we will go ahead with few examples which will give more clarity, and we will make sure that you are going to do a lot of activity based on this topic as well. So children, for your reference, let's take few examples. The first example is as cool as cucumber. Now we can frame a sentence which says that Rohan is as cool as cucumber in all situations. That means Rohan actually remains cool in all the situation, whatever the situation is, any difficult situation in the life, but he will always remain cool and calm. Cool as cucumber. Okay. Now next one, as busy as a bee. Yes. Now we can frame a sentence which says that Rohan is as busy as a bee these days working on the school project, which actually tells us that Rohan is seriously busy with his school project. So he is as busy as a bee. Next, as brave as a lion. You were as brave as a lion. So yes, we are comparing the braveness with lion, right? So these are the examples of similes, and it's really fun to frame sentence and actually use similes in your vocabulary as well as your writing skills. So yes, children, now it's time to do the activity from page number 76. Now this activity says use the appropriate similes to complete these sentences. Now you can check the words and from the boxes which is given above. It's rock, thunder, feather, ghost, wind and cucumber. Now we can check, children, which appropriate word is going to make or frame the complete sentence, okay, which is a sensible sentence. Let's check the first sentence. The first sentence says, when Sai dances, she floats across the stage like a dash. Okay, now you need to write the answers in your notebook, and we will cross check later with the teacher's answer. Come on, quickly, children, start writing the answers. Now, next sentence. Jasmine runs like the dash. Jasmine runs like the dash. Next one. The crash of the utensils falling was loud as dash. The crash of the utensils falling was loud as dash. Next one. Ali is dependent upon by everyone because he is solid as a dash. I repeat, Ali is dependent upon by everyone because he is solid as a dash. Now you need to check from the above, the words which are given in the box, and frame the complete sentence. Next one. Everyone was nervous about the results, but Shushmita was cool as a dash. Next. He turned white as a dash when he was caught stealing. Alright, now come on, children, you can cross check with your teacher's answer. Now the correct answer is, when Sai dances, she floats across the stage like a feather. Yes. Next one. Jasmine runs like the wind. Next. The crash of the utensils falling was loud as thunder. Right. Now the next one. Ali is dependent upon by everyone because he is solid as a rock. Right. Next. Everyone was nervous about the result, but Shushmita was cool as a cucumber. Next one. He turned white as a ghost when he was caught stealing. So see children, wasn't it easy? Yes, and it was really fun framing the complete sentence, isn't it? Yes children, so let's check few more activities which are given on page number 77. Now children, it's time to have some fun with synonyms, okay? Now for this compulsory you need to sit with your dictionary children. Make sure you are going to grab the dictionary quickly and we will start with the activity. Now children, this activity has few words. These words are taken from the same lesson number 7, which is the stepping out lesson. Now in this story there are few words which are referring to a particular manner of walking. Okay, now for this quickly you need to check the dictionary and we will frame the sentences based on this. Now your first word over here is saunter. That means walking slow. Check out the dictionary children. Saunter means walking slow. Come on now children, your teacher is going to wait for you. You need to frame a very good sentence based on this meaning as well as the main word. Okay. Now the next word is cudding. It means move fast in a straight line. Remember children, it means move fast in a straight line. Right? Next one, chase. Yes, we all know what do you mean by chase children? Means to catch up. Chase means to catch up. Next, lugged. That means drag. Okay. Now, yes, take few minutes. You can pause the video and frame very good correct sentence. Okay. Yes. Yes children, now it's time to frame the correct sentence. Now we have already checked the meaning. Saunter means walking slow, and the sentence that even you can frame in your own words. Now teacher has given a sentence to you which says, let's go for a saunter along the river. Okay, that means let's go for a slow walk along the river. Next, scudding. It means move fast in a straight line. Now we can frame a sentence which says, we watched the cloud scudding around the sky. Now next one, chase. It means to catch up. Now framing the sentence, you can use the sentence something like, the police were trying to chase down all possible clues to the murder. Okay. Next one, lugged. That means drag. She lugged her suitcase down the stairs. Right? Okay. Now children, yes, if you have any sentences with you, you can cross check. Okay. And yes, make sure that your sentences are being framed correctly without any grammatical mistake. Okay, now let's check one more activity. So now children, it's time to do the activity which is on the same page number 77. It says match these words with their meanings. Now children, compulsory you need to sit with dictionary over here. The reason is you need to match the words with the meanings. Okay. Now on the one side of the table you have got words which says amble, parade, stagger, strut, trudge, march, patrol and stride. Now on the another side you have got meanings. Now you have to match it correctly. Okay. Now the meanings are walk leisurely, walk with difficulty, walk taking long steps, walk heavily as through sand, walk like a soldier, walk showing off, march in procession, and walk around to check safety. Now sit with your dictionary, children, and try to match each word. Okay, now first you need to do this activity in your notebook. Pause the video and wait for your teacher's answer keys also. Alright, so now we will quickly check what are the correct answers. So yes children, the meaning for your first word amble means walk leisurely. Okay, yes, that's the correct answer. Next, parade. What do you mean by parade, children? That means march in procession. March in procession. That's right. Next word is stagger. What do you mean by stagger? It means walk with difficulty. Yes, walk with difficulty. Next one, strut. That means walk showing off. Walk showing off. Right. Next one, trudge. That means walk heavily as through sand. Next, march. That means walk like a soldier. Next, patrol. That means walk around to check safety. Next, stride means walk taking long steps. So yes children, now these are all the correct answers for the given words. Now let us quickly frame sentences for few of the words, and the remaining ones you are going to do as a home assignment. Alright, so come on, quickly let's start framing the sentence. So now children, now we will frame the sentences. The first 4 sentences are framed by the teacher. Now what you are going to do is the remaining ones you are definitely going to frame the sentences on your own, right? And children, it's going to be your home assignment. Now your first word is amble. Now what do you mean by amble? As per the dictionary, it means walk leisurely, right? So we can frame the sentence stating that since we arrived too early to check into the hotel, we decided to amble down the beach. Okay, next one, parade. Now what do you mean by parade? It means march in procession. We can say marchers in the parade carried colorful banners. Right? Now next, stagger. Now what do you mean by stagger? According to dictionary, it means walk with difficulty. Right? So after he was attacked, he managed to stagger to the phone and call for help. Next, strut. That means she told him not to strut around because it made him look silly. Strut is basically walk showing off, right? So the sentence over here says that she told him not to strut around because it made him look silly. Now the remaining ones, what are the examples children? It's trudged, then march, patrol, and stride. So you can frame the sentences, and definitely it's going to be a wonderful practice for all of you. Now don't forget to take the help or the guide from the dictionary for the correct words also. So yes children, today we enjoyed doing simile and synonyms from lesson number 7, which is one of the part of vocabulary from page number 76 and 77. Now children, you can practice. The reason is this is really going to make a lot of difference for your vocabulary skills as well as creative writing skills also. So yes, till we meet you again for the next session children, take care. Bye bye.